Yun po yung pinakabata. Sige, ako na lang yung pangalawa sa pinakabata sa cast. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. It's always a privilege to go back to a character that you did way back. I was very fortunate when Para Kay B was staged in BGC Arts Center. I played AJ. And sobrang ibang-iba pa nung play na yon nung ginawa namin sa BGC. Actually, I was also asked to at least play AJ nung first run, but I'm doing another play during that time, kaya sayang. Pero in a way, I felt like I was part of the creation of the first play kasi doon po sa bahay ko nagsusulat ng drafts si LJ. At napag-uusapan po namin yung direction na ganito na siya, ganito na siya, magiging ganito na yung direction. So ako po, I'm excited kasi again, it's a privilege to go back to a character that you once play. And now, after, kailan ba yung BGC? 2018? So, ang dami nang nagbago din sa sarili ko bilang tao, bilang artista, and bilang bakla. So, ano yung pwede kong ilagay at ibigay pa doon sa character na yun? Because if it's a gay character in any literature, ang unang iniisip ay it's pampabalanse siya, pag bakla nakakatawa, ganyan. But also part of my advocacy as an actor and as a part of the LGBTQI+ community is to really play queer characters in general, and give it a nuance and sensitive and as much as possible authentic portrayal. Kasi nakakasawa na yung pagbakla nakaganyan, nakaganon. Hindi naman po. Wala akong kilala. Actually, akong kilalang baklang gumaganto.
Ikaw?
Oo. Pag nagasalita. Di ba? Parang ako lang ata. Unique ko talaga. Anyway, yung mga ganun po. Kaya yun, yung tanong na yung what made me say yes. Unang-una, parang after doing Delia Dina ang laki-laki, parang it's such a refreshing. It's such a breather to do a show that is intimate and that is really sensitive, na parang tender. Kumbaga, not really, parang walang kahit na anong palabok, it's just salita. I'm not saying that, musicals maraming palabok, but it's a different discipline the musical. But here, wala lang, pag tumapak ka sa entablado, dala mo lang sarili mo, walang kahit na sino. So, nakakatakot yung rawness na binibigay ng doing straight play. And yun, it's such a challenge. Again, kahit nagawa mo na yung isang character. At binabakla, ang dami ko na namang sinabi. Thank you po.